Hi, I'm going to make the eggplant in garlic sauce. I have about 2 eggplant and 2 ounces of white onion, half ounce of green onion, and half ounce of red pepper. For the sauce, I use 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and half cup of water, and 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of chili bean sauce, 1 teaspoon of garlic. And I use 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of water. And I'm going to put all the sauce in it first. Okay, you just mix well. And I put cornstarch and water in it. So I mix well too. Okay, I'm going to put it on the side. And for the eggplant, so I'm going to cut it like this. And both ends, I don't want it. Then I'm going to cut it in the center and cut it half again. Okay, the other one I do the same thing. Okay, after I cut it, then I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of salt, sprinkle some salt in it, and mix well. Then I put 3 tablespoons of cornstarch in it. Then you mix well again. Okay, I'm going to put some oil in the wok. And I'm going to pan fry it. You pan fry until they turn it brown a little bit. Okay, that piece look like brown, golden brown. I'm going to remove it. I put more in it. That one okay, I remove it. Okay, this is all look good. I'm going to turn off the heat from here. Then I'm going to stir fry the other stuff. And I put the onion in it. And all the green onion and red pepper. And I'm going to stir fry a little bit. Looks good. I'm going to put all the sauce in it. Then I'm going to put the cornstarch with water in it. Okay, it looks good. I'm going to put all the eggplant in it. Okay, this is all done. I'm going to turn off the heat. Okay, Dex, I make today the eggplant in garlic sauce.